Hey everybody, this is Fred Long, team leader of the FNL Group with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Connections. We're here to showcase our newest listing located in Winfield, Indiana in Doubletree West. The address is 10328 Nicholas Street. Please, let me give you a tour. This beautiful home offers you 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Enjoy the open concept on the main level, which offers you a spacious family room, dining area, open concept kitchen, now follow me upstairs and allow me to show you the 3 bedrooms, primary bathroom, community bathroom, and your laundry area. This home is nice, right? Now, come check out downstairs.
That's Hunter.
Now, down here, you have unlimited opportunities. I know you were amazed with this home. So to check it out, give the FNL Group a call at 219-406-6927. Schedule your showing today.